If you track your financial progress by looking at a standard net worth breakdown, you are staring at a trailing indicator. It is a mirage that can shatter the moment you actually need to use that money. Wealth locked in home equity or a retirement account you cannot access for decades does nothing for your daily agility. You cannot spend a static balance sheet to navigate a career transition or fund an early exit. Executing an early retirement requires a shift in focus from total accumulation to highly optimized, deliberate cash flow. Hyper-accumulators bypass basic savings advice to focus on these 7 structural milestones, turning a monthly paycheck into a scalable wealth engine. The first milestone establishes the raw capital needed for every advanced strategy that follows. This milestone requires you to cap fixed, non-discretionary costs: housing, basic transport, insurance, and utilities, at or below exactly 40% of your net take-home pay. Most people allow their fixed obligations to expand alongside their income. Intentionally capping these baseline costs at 40% creates a 60% cash flow runway every single month. Once that surplus is established, your next move is to automate your tax strategy. Milestone 2 is reached when your monthly cash flow automatically saturates your 401k, backdoor Roth IRA, and HSA to their legal limits before you ever see that money in your checking account. Conquering these first 2 milestones decouples your lifestyle from your earning power and minimizes your effective tax drag, providing the fuel for high-leverage wealth building. Milestone 3 is where accumulated capital transitions from a passive buffer into an active defense mechanism. This occurs exactly when the interest or dividends generated by your liquid reserves completely cover one specific major fixed cost, such as your property taxes, insurance premiums, or groceries. Next, the gravity of your wealth shifts as your investment velocity outpaces your liabilities. You reach this inversion when the total capital you direct into wealth-building vehicles every month completely eclipses your primary housing debt service. If your mortgage principal and interest is $3,500 a month, hitting milestone 4 requires directing at least $3,501 into your assets. At this exact point, your wealth-building engine becomes the largest line item on your ledger. You are officially manufacturing assets faster than you are servicing debt. The 5th milestone transitions you from standard retirement planning into aggressive wealth accumulation. This requires consistently investing 25% or more of your gross annual income. While milestone 1 focused on your net take-home pay, this target is measured against your total salary before taxes and deductions. At a 25% gross savings rate, every single calendar year you work buys back an entire year of your future time. Milestone 6 is built specifically to provide maximum structural flexibility. Having a 12-month liquid taxable asset pool, distinct from a standard 3 to 6 month emergency fund, provides the offensive runway to clearly execute high-leverage career moves or securely survive market shifts without ever touching your long-term retirement assets. The 7th milestone is the final state, where physical labor is no longer required for income. When a conservative, long-term return on your accumulated capital generates more money than your active salary, your portfolio has taken over the heavy lifting. The powerful cash flow engine has fully displaced the need for a traditional 9-to-5, making your active income purely optional. These 7 sequential milestones provide a behavioral blueprint to gauge your progress, moving past the limitations of static net worth tracking. Take a moment to assess your current numbers. Which specific milestone are you optimizing for right now? Let me know your target in the comments. To see the deep dive systems we use to automate this entire order of operations, make sure to hit subscribe. Reaching work optional status is the logical outcome of executing a deliberate, sequential cash flow logic.